We built Metapolis with a vision to create an open community that thrives and builds its dreams on top. Here's a whole new world that connects, enhances, and builds relationships while bridging the gap between the physical and the digital world.
What is going on, everybody? My name is Lorenzo and this is Crypto with Lorenzo. Welcome back to today's video where I want to go and show you something really interesting, and we are talking about Zilliqa, and especially we're talking about Metapolis, what it is, how it works, everything that we know, the fact that it is here. And I don't know if some of you noticed, but you can actually go and check out their website. So I want to go through it. I want to show you everything that there is to know. And of course, if you come from Twitter, you've seen that I'm doing a 1000 Zilliqa giveaway. What do you have to do to win? Simply leave a like, subscribe to the channel down below. Let me know in the comments the answer to the question that I will be taking you throughout this video. So make sure to answer correctly, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and if you do want to know the winner, follow me on Twitter. All the links are down below. But with that said, I want to go and jump straight on to the laptop, and we are here on the Metapolis website. As we can see here, it is called metapolis.studio. Now, this one it is the landing page of what Metapolis is. And how do you find it? How do you know it's real? Well, just go on the Metapolis Twitter page, as we can see over here, with 12,000 followers, and they have it right over here. So this one, it is the website, and throughout the video you will be seeing a couple of videos, and what the presentation that the video you're gonna be seeing on this video as an overlay, they are taken from the Metapolis Twitter page, which you can go and check for yourself. But of course, what is the Metapolis, what it is, and how does it work? Well, Metapolis is the first metaverse as a service platform built on a technology stack powered by a leading L1 blockchain, which is Zilliqa. Zilliqa has a great and huge follower base of over 440,000 members on their Twitter, and it is going to launch this Metapolis, which we have gone to see it, and it's going to make the price of Zilliqa, in my belief. Do not trust me, do not go and buy me, I'm just no financial advisor, I'm just saying my belief is that Zilliqa price will go extremely up when the project launches. But what is the Metapolis? Well, you can go and check it out here on their website, that it says that is the next internet. Metapolis allows brands to build highly immersive digital experiences to create space with rich social interactions akin to the real world. There's gonna be digital identity, open platform, channel for business, always on layer of engagement, social layer, universal metaverse currency, and interoperable standard. What does this mean? Well, it means that also, as we've seen from Twitter, if we go back to their Twitter, we can see the head of marketing and the head of metaverse, Metapolis, talking about it also on different interviews. As we can see here, that they do explain what it is and how the the people will be able, and the businesses will be able to go and create tokens within their within the Metapolis, within the metaverse, to go and be able to sell their items, as well as having a store, a physical store in the real life. They'll also be able to having a digital store in the Metapolis, which then they can attach any object to an NFTs to give it utility and so on. So Metapolis, it is kind of like Decentraland. If you want to take it, if you're already in the metaverse, take for example Decentraland or Sandbox. Well, they are a map, kind of like a game where people go and talk to each other. But Metapolis is a completely different of that. Metapolis wants to give the business the possibility to go and interact with the metaverse, for also business that may not be able to have the funds to go and develop a metaverse or a metaverse team, but also for the big, like Nike's, Adidas, Louis Vuitton, whatever you want to call it, Supreme, whatever, is going to be on the metaverse, and it's going to allow the possibility to have the Metapolis and their physical item and their digital items as well within the market, by combining them and having them to buy and showcase your business. But the other thing that we can see here on the Metapolis, it is a all of these are the different features, as we're gonna see here. You will be able to create your avatars, you're gonna be able to socialize with our seamless UX, you can scale various businesses and meet new people on Metapolis with personalized handles. You can lend parcels, and of course, let me know down in the comments below to be able to enter on the giveaway which of these 12 functions over here that now we're gonna go and read is the one that you prefer the most as part of the Metapolis ecosystem and what they have to offer. They got the lend parcels, as we can see here, buy, sell, and develop land on Metapolis with the power of the NFTs. engage in trades or showcase your ideas to physical and digital world, such as buying the land and building on top of it. I believe it all will come to it. There's gonna be play to earn. So on Metapolis there are endless ways to generate revenue, and the play to earn platform is just one of them. As you will be able to see, or you've already seen throughout the video, the possibility to go and drive and have mobile games and have car games within Metapolis and the city itself. And by the way, the footage that are overlaid within the video, they are all part of what Metapolis itself is releasing as in-game footage, so not a 3D effect, it's all in-game footage. Then we got the Metapolis FI, decentralized finance, takes a new turn with the Metapolis, a pool to trade, lend or stake your tokens and NFTs while appraising your NFTs at scales. We got the Meta Estate, a launchpad for developers and architects waiting to showcase their work. Build structures, develop them and exchange them the way you envision them. There's gonna be e-commerce, so bridge the gap between physical and digital stores. Brands can now have boundless engagement with Metapolis, as well as creating their own coin. Events, expos, multi-chain, multi-blockchain support, metaverse and microverse, the mixed reality portraits and the adverts as well. You know, you'll be able to advertise your brand within the metaverse by buying, you know, like in real life you can buy a billboard. Here we'll be able also to go and buy space that the audience will be able to see, or ads within the space. Then we can also look at something very important apart from the world leading tech stack, so everything that is a little bit as an asset creation, the layers and so on. I do want to go and look apart also the, you know, the partners. We have all the Zilliqa ecosystem in it, as well as XCAD. I hope it will stand into place and be part of the Zilliqa ecosystem. But the roadmap, well, the roadmap we started in April 2022, so just this month, with the launch events which happened at the beginning of the month, which we went to see, and then we have the private round on May. So the coming month we will have a team of growth, the marketplace, and the interoperability standard. And then October 22, multi-chain wallet and app, and in March 2023, so apart from a year from now, we will have a VR experience and a V2.0. Now, it is interesting to see how they're going to scale, how they're going to process and bring this project to life, but it is interesting and it is something very, very big to go and achieve, of course, and it's something that I very look into it, and I much, you know, I appreciate in terms of a Zilliqa fund, which we can go and see here. If we go and type in here Zilliqa, we can see that it has a one of the biggest potentially follower base in the crypto space, with 445,000 followers. So it is very big. They do tweet a lot, they do tweet every day, they have a big team, they have an excellent social media performance, an excellent, you know, ecosystem as well, with XCAD growing super fast, or any other project within the Zilliqa ecosystem that I do believe will be able to be part of what the Metapolis is and be shown to thousands and thousands, you know, millions of people when the metaverse will join in. Then we got the safety, the security, and everything that you need to know, the features such as the e-commerce, the MAAS, the interoperability, the digital identity, the borderless meta channels and everything. But you can go and check this. They also have their team, of course, they're completely doxed. It is a, you know, established business, nothing to hide. This is an established business. I got Twitter, Medium, LinkedIn, YouTube, Telegram, and Discord channels as well. But you know, Metapolis, it is here, and it is something really cool that I found this website. I don't know if you've seen it, but also all the videos that I showed you, you know, as an overlay to this video, it is something very interesting, and it is something that I do like a lot, and I do like the way that they go and, you know, perform and also be part of what the project is and what they're bringing so far. It is something super nice, it is something very interesting. So I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel down below, turn the notification bell on, and let me know in the comments what is your preferable thing that we went to see throughout the video. With that said, thank you for watching and see you all tomorrow. Ciao guys!